Welcome everybody to the Apple Simp, where we take sips that was good, of the apple juice and we simp over Apple. Today we got a really exciting unboxing for you guys. We got the Apple Watch Series 6 44mm stainless steel sailor with a leather loop. But before that, cue intro. Alright, welcome everybody to the Apple Simp. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6. And for those of you who are joining us for the first time, this is going to be a safe haven for all the Apple Simps out there. Right? No talks about anything besides Apple. You can simp here freely, simp freely, whatever you like. All about simping towards Apple. Alright Simps, here it is. Apple Watch Series 6, long awaited. Here's a knife right here. Matte black everything at the Apple Simp. Apple Simp approves. Now, of course, because it's an Apple product, we don't need the knife for this part. Apple makes it easy on us. Isn't it Simp? So satisfying. Alright, here as you can see, we got the 44 silver stainless steel with the blue leather loop. Woo. Lots of simping to do here, boys. Ooh. Now, this is a first for the Apple Simp. I actually never had one of the leather loops before. That's going to be a new one for us. I do like to accessorize my Apple Watch with a lot of different ones. I'm used to Apple's Melanie's loop. Love that one. Apple's Link bracelet. Fantastic. Expensive, but fantastic. You know, lots of simping to do there. But never Apple's leather ones. You know, but hey, let's give it a shot. Let's put this aside for a second. Good stuff here. I just did a collection a little bit later. And here's the main event. More of these nice pull tabs. Yep, this is why we're Apple Simps, everybody. Apple's gonna make everything easy for us. Very simp worthy. Woo! Nothing's more satisfying to an Apple Simp than Apple unboxings. This is actual jewelry right here, guys. This is why we're sips. This is why we take sips of the apple juice. So yeah, let's take a look what we have here. Of course, no power brick. We don't need any comments about that, guys. We've heard all about that. But we do have Apple's magnetic charger. But yeah, in here we got Apple's classic stainless steel finish on the stainless steel Apple Watches to match the watch. Lovely, great stuff, great stuff. Out for a second. There we got the watch. So for those of you who don't know, I've actually had a Apple Watch Series 4, rocking it for about 2 years now. Really scuffed up, lost some of its shine. Still looking good, but you know, a little bit scuffed up. But yeah, I think it'd be a big upgrade from Series 4. Yeah, so let's open up this band right here, put it on, see how it looks. Let me grab what I'm coming from right now. So Apple Watch Series 4, also 44mm, same finish, silver stainless steel. I love this watch. My only complaint really is battery life, and that's why I'm looking forward to Series 6. A whole brand new battery, besides a better battery life, faster, which already was fast enough. But hey, faster is faster. You know, more apple juice for us to sip on. Looking forward to using the blog oximeter. I haven't had always on display. Yeah, I've seen on some of the Galaxy watches. I've always really enjoyed always on display on the watch. I never had a Series 5, so you know, going to Series 6, we get to always on display. All some good stuff, and some compass, and a compass. You know, so lots of new apple juice to sip on, guys. Lots of new stuff for this stuff. Yeah, that's right here. So yeah, so you can see here, the camera's gonna focus on it. Yeah, we got lots of scuffing over here. But you know, still holding up good. You know. And first impressions, this watch are actually really positive. It definitely feels lighter, which I really wasn't expecting at all. It's really nice to have a brand new stainless steel finish rather than one that got scuffed up over the years. I mean, I'm sure you all know Apple's watch setup process. Super simple, super intuitive. You know, can't be beat. Recently set up a Galaxy Watch Active 2. Pairing was, you know, like okay, nothing too fancy. It failed like once or twice. You know, that's another reason why we're Apple simps, not Samsung knights. You know, so yeah, that's first impression on the Apple Watch Series 6. I'm gonna be using it as my daily watch every day, all day, simping on Apple, sipping on the apple juice, and hopefully soon we will have a review for you guys. All right, make sure to subscribe to the channel, The Apple Simp. Follow me, The Apple Simp, on Twitter. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your friends. All the other Apple Simps, get all the Apple Simps together. Hopefully soon we'll have a review for you guys. I'm gonna be telling you all about the battery life, new features, difference between Series 4. And soon we got a comparison coming up of Series 6 versus Series 3 from a teenage perspective, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Share this video so we can get all the Apple Simps together. We're trying to build an Apple orchard so we can all sip on the apple juice together and simp over Apple in our walled garden. Alright? And also follow me Instagram at The Apple Simp and on Twitter at The Apple Simp. Alright, Apple Simps. Make sure you take your daily sips of the apple juice. Don't forget to come here to simp over Apple freely with no judgment. This is a safe zone here for all the Apple Simps out there. And I'll see you soon. Orchard? Yeah. Try to make an apple orchard of... What's the actual word? Okay, Google. Define apple orchard.
And a tree of apples.
According to Wikipedia, an orchard is an intentional plantation of trees or shrubs that is maintained for food production.
Orchard. You can see here, the camera's going to focus on it. Yeah, we got lots of scuffing over here. But, you know, still holding up good. You know.